Good morning everybody. Hello, it's Wednesday the 13th of May 2020. It's time for Phonics. Welcome back. So we're going to start like we were yesterday, looking for different spellings of the Z sound, okay? So we're going to build some words, so I'll give you the sounds that you need and then we'll build them together, saying the sounds to build the word and saying the sounds to read the word. So remember, the sound that we're looking out for is the Z sound. Okay, so first word, here we go. The first word is the number 0. Okay, 2 syllables, 0. So these are the sounds that you need for the word 0. And remember that you can pause and give yourself more time if you need to. And we say Z, ear, 0, 0, 0. And of course we've got the Z on its own spelling of Z. Z, the one that we know from before. Okay, 0. Next word is seize. Now to seize means to snatch, to take something, okay? It's actually quite a good word to bear in mind with our writing inspired by King Arthur. It's a type of word that you might see in, it's the kind of language that might be used in those stories, in those tales. So, to seize. These are the sounds that you will need for the word seize. Just one syllable. Seize. Okay, and we say S, E, Z, seize, seize. And of course in seize we have the Z-E spelling of the Z sound. So we'll add that to our list up here. 2 letters, Z and E, but just one Z sound. Seize. Okay. That's not right. Sorry, everybody, seize doesn't have that spelling of the E sound. It actually has this spelling of the E sound. So let's try that again. Cross the last one out, get rid of it. I'm glad I spotted that. This is how you spell seize. These are the sounds that you need. And we say S, E, Z. Same spelling of the Z sound, with the Z and the E, but just the EI spelling of the E sound has changed, okay? Sorry for the confusion, I just had a look and thought that doesn't look quite right. And that's often the case. When you look back at your spelling, you can often look and see, and if you think, no, that word doesn't look quite right, as it did not look quite right when I just looked at it, when we wrote it, it's usually an indication that you need to change something. So always look back, like I just did, and think, does that look right? Didn't look right, and sure enough, when I checked, that wasn't the right spelling of seize. I had to just change the E spelling, okay? So always look back over what you've got. Okay, let's have another one. This is going to be the word buzzer. So these are the sounds that you need to build the word buzzer. 2 syllables, buzzer, buzzer. And we say b, a, ba, z, z, ba, z, buzzer. And of course we've got the double Z spelling of z. to our list. So 3 spellings, but just one z sound. I wonder what z spellings we've missed so far today that we've had earlier in the week. Have you noticed any that we're missing? It might be about to come up. So this word is going to be blouse. Now a blouse is a top for a woman. A blouse, item of clothing, a top. 1 syllable, blouse. And we say b, ow, z. And of course in blouse, at the end of the word, we have that SE spelling of blouse that we also had at the end of cheese and choose earlier in the week. So the SE spelling of z is another spelling. 2 letters, 1 sound. 4 spellings, still 1 z sound. Okay, let's have another one. We're going to have a 2-syllable word now. And these are the sounds that you need to build the word cozy. Cozy, 2 syllables. And we say k, o, z, e. Cozy, cozy. And that's quite straightforward, isn't it? We've just got the Z on its own spelling of z again in that 2-syllable word. Cozy. Okay. These are the sounds that you need to build the word dazzle. I was dazzled by the blinding light of Arthur's sword. Dazzle. 2 syllables. Dazzle. And we say d, a, da, z, oo. Dazzle, dazzle. With the 2-letter spelling of z. Good. Dazzle. Now these are the sounds that you need to build the word guzzle. And I want you to see if you can spot a pattern or a similarity with the word dazzle that we just had before. Okay? Guzzle, 2 syllables. We say g, a, z, oo. Z, oo. Guzzle, guzzle. With the 2-letter spelling of z again. So how is that similar to the word dazzle that we just had before? Just think about that. And we'll have another one. Let's have a word that we had yesterday. Let's have the word drizzle. So if you were cooking, you might drizzle some oil onto something. So you pour something slowly, you drizzle. Like drizzling honey or oil. Drizzle. And we say d, r, I, dri, z, oo. Zul, drizzle, drizzle. So what do you notice about where this spelling of the z sound is in drizzle, in guzzle, and in dazzle? Often, where there's an ul sound at the end of a word, spelt with an le, the z sound beforehand will be the double z spelling, okay? So, drizzle, guzzle, dazzle. If you were to write the word fizzle, the firework fizzled out. Can you try it without the sounds? Fizzle, using that same pattern that we just spotted. And then I'll give you the sounds and we'll try. So these are the sounds that you need for fizzle. And it follows that pattern again. So we say I, fi, z, oo. So the z sound before the oo at the end is the double Z spelling of z, okay? Fizzle, dazzle, guzzle, drizzle, and so on. Let's have the word eggs. One syllable, eggs. And we say g, z. Now, what about the spelling of z in eggs? Do we have it already? No, it's a new spelling. It's the S on its own spelling of the z sound. Z. Eggs. Okay, another one from yesterday. Let's see if there's a pattern here. These are the sounds that you need to build the word legs. What is the similarity here? We say l, g, z. Legs, with the S spelling again at the end of z. So, using the word eggs and the word legs, can you write the word pegs, as in pegs that you would hang your coats on? Pegs. And we say g, z. Pegs. So there's a pattern, isn't there? There's a similarity. The z sound as a plural after a g sound spelling is often the S spelling of z. So pegs, legs, eggs, pugs, if you were talking about more than one pug, dog, dogs, etc. So, last one for today, a two-syllable word. Now the word is possess. So to possess something means to own it, to have something, okay? Possess. So, possess. These are the sounds that you need to build the word possess. Two syllables. Possess. Okay, and we say p, o, po, z, s, zess, z, s. Now be careful, because in possess, the same two letters are being used to spell the z sound as they are to spell the s sound. So two letters, one sound, but it's the same two letters for two different sounds, okay? O, po, z, s. Say it with me. Z, s. Okay, good. Possess. Possess. Now, what I'd like you to do is we're going to move on from the z sound spellings and we're going to be sound sorting. So what you'll need is a table on your board or on your piece of paper, or any way you can have different sections, but you're going to need 5 sections, okay? So whether you have 5 lines like we've done before, or whether you have 5 boxes, up to you. I'm going to have 5 lines here, so I can organise my words according to their spelling of the sound k. You'll be looking for different spellings of the k sound. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, and one more, 5. And I'm just going to make sure I've got a margin. There we go. Okay, so you know how this works. I'm going to write a word on the board and then we're going to just sort them into their different spellings of the k sound. Okay, so we know one already. That's the letter K on its own, so we can put that in our first section. That will definitely be there. Might not be the first word though, so be careful. The first word is one, two, three. Acorns. Good. Acorns. So there's a k sound spelling in acorns. Can you use that to label one of the sections and say the sounds and write the word acorns? Okay, and it's the C spelling, isn't it? So we put that in the margin or as a header for our section, and we say corns, k, or z, acorns. Good. The next word is, after three, 1, 2, 3, brick. Now it's over to you. And we can see that we've got the CK spelling. So that's a new section. And we say the sounds and write the word into that section too. And we say b, br, e, k, brick. Okay. After 3, the word is 1, 2, 3. Raccoons. Raccoons. Over to you. That's right, we don't have this spelling yet. It's the double C spelling of k, ra, k, oons, coons, raccoons. And we've got the double C spelling there. So we say r, a, ra, k, oo, z, raccoons. The next word is 1, 2, 3. Books. And I think we have got that spelling of k already. It's the K spelling, isn't it? So we say the sounds and we write the word. B, k, z, books. Books. Good stuff. Okay, what about this word? One, two, three. Anchor. Over to you. Where should we put anchor? That's right, it's the CH spelling, which we don't have a section for yet. So that's our last section, the CH spelling of k in anchor. And we write with the syllables. A, ang, k, or, core, core, anchor. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Kindness, good. 2 syllables. K, I, n, d, kind, n, s, ness, kindness, kindness. And I think I can see where that needs to go. You've probably already started. It's the K spelling, isn't it? And we say k, I, n, d, kind, n, s, ness, kindness, kindness. Okay, 2 more. Two syllables, let's have a look. 1, 2, 3. Crabbing. Crab, bing, crabbing. Crabbing. Now, to crabbing is to go looking for crabs. I don't know if you've ever done that on the beach or by the sea, when you go hunting for crabs with your bucket and spade and you put them into your bucket. Crabbing. So we've got the C spelling of k in crabbing, and we say k, r, a, crab, I, bing, crabbing, crabbing. Good. Last one. Oh, okay, 2 syllables. One, two, three. Pickled. Pickled onions. Pickled. And we can see the CK spelling, can't we? And we say p, I, pickled. K, u, d. Pickled. Okay, good stuff. We're going to move on to our sentence work, okay? So before we do that, I need you to rub the board out, make it clean, or get a new place to work or a new piece of paper. And if you are rubbing it out, I want you to say the sounds, remember, as you rub it out. So b, k, s, books, and so on until it's all gone. If you're just using paper, say the sounds to read each word and then get ready for the next job. Okay, last thing for today. So we're going to hear a sentence that's got different spellings of that or sound in, okay? And your job is going to be to remember the sentence, so we'll say it together, and then we're going to write it one word at a time. And you must pause, remember, each time that you need to write a word, to give yourself enough time. So when you hear the word, or you know what the next word is, pause, write it, and then press play again and check. Okay, and I'll be doing it here too when you're ready. So the sentence is, Rory is cautious because they have sharp claws in their paws and sharp teeth in their jaws. My turn again. Rory is cautious because they have sharp claws in their paws and sharp teeth in their jaws. So our turn together. Rory is cautious because they have sharp claws in their paws and sharp teeth in their jaws. Your turn, try yourself. Okay, so I want you to try to write the first 3 words, okay, which are Rory is cautious, means he is careful. So, Rory is cautious. Try please. Let's have a look. And we say R, or, E, Rory, is cautious. K, or, sk, or cautious. Cautious. Now don't worry if you weren't sure how to spell that word. Just adjust it now if you need to. So far we've got the AU spelling there in cautious, and we've also got the OR spelling in Rory's name, haven't we? Rory is cautious. Why? Rory is cautious because they have. So next 3 words, because they have. And we say because. B, I, K, O, Z. Because a, they have. Because they have, and we've got the SE spelling of Z in because, remember. Because they have. What do they have? Rory is cautious because they have sharp claws in their paws. Okay, 5 words. Sharp claws in their paws. Have a try. And we say sharp claws. Or z. Sharp claws in there. Now remember, it's the E-I-R spelling of there because it belongs to them. Remember, you can always remember that because you can see the I is like a little person. So you know it's theirs, it belongs to them. Okay? Sharp claws in their paws. Or z. And we've got the AW spelling of or twice there in k or z, claws, and paws, or z, paws. So what else? Rory is cautious because they have sharp claws in their paws and sharp teeth in their jaws. And sharp teeth in their jaws. Go ahead and come back, okay? And sharp teeth in their jaws. So, and sharp, we've already got sharp, sharp teeth, teeth in their, same spelling of there because it's still theirs, it belongs to them, air, sharp teeth in their jaws, j, or z, stop mark. Okay, so let's just check we've got those or sound spellings correct, okay? Change anything that you need to. We've got the OR spelling in Rory, the AU spelling of or in cautious. That's the one I was not sure. I thought we hadn't really touched on that word before, but I wanted you just to have a try. Because they have sharp claws, AW, in their paws, AW again, and sharp teeth in their jaws, AW again. So we've got 3 different spellings, but just one or sound in that piece of writing. And of course we've got the stop mark at the end because it's a complete idea, it's finished, isn't it? Okay, so that's all for today, and I'll see you back here, same time tomorrow. Have a good day, guys. Bye.